Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear viewers, Insha'Allahul Kareem, in this video you are going to learn the Holy Quran, Para 1, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat number 133 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أم كنتم شهداء إذ حضر يعقوب الموت إذ قال لبنيه ما تعبدون من بعدي قالوا نعبد إلهك وإله آبائك إبراهيم وإسماعيل وإسحاق إلها واحدا ونحن له مسلمون. Look at the word kuntum. You can see ta after noon sakin. Ta is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Shuhada. There is hamza after alif madda in the same word. It is madde muttasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Idh hadara. Pronounce dod with thicker voice because it is a mustaliya letter. Ya'qub al-mawtu. Stretch waw madda after qaf. إذ قال stretch alif madda after qaf. لبنيه stretch ya madda after noon. ما تعبدون pronounce ain from the middle part of your throat. من بعدي you can see ba after noon sakin. The rule iqlab will be done. You have to change noon sakin into meme and do gunna. قالوا pronounce qaf with thicker voice and stretch alif madda and waw madda. Na'budu pronounce ain from the middle part of your throat. Ilahaka stretch khada zabar on lam. Wa ilaha abaika stretch madde muttasil. Ibrahima wa Ismaila. Do kalkala in ba because ba is from kalkala letters. Kalkala means to rebounce the sound. And wa ishaqa pronounce qaf with thicker voice because qaf is from mustaliya letters. Ilaham wahida. You can see waw after two zabar after tanween. Waw is a yarmaloon letter. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done. Wa nahnu lahu muslimun. Stretch madde aris at the end. Madde aris is done when a temporary sukoon comes after any madda letter. Temporary sukoon means when a letter becomes sakin because of waqf. In this word, noon is sakin because of waqf, and this temporary sukoon is coming after waw madda, so it is madde aris. Insha'Allahul Kareem, in the next video, you will learn next ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah.